In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import all your info to Opera GX. By the end, your browsing history and bookmarks will be right where you expect them, so switching browsers feels seamless. Start by opening Opera GX on your computer. We're going to use the built-in import tool, so there's nothing extra to install. Look to the very top left corner of the window and click the Opera icon. This opens the main menu where most settings and tools live, including everything related to bookmarks. In that menu, hover your mouse over the Bookmarks section. A side menu appears with more options. From there, click Import Bookmarks and Settings. This is the quickest way to bring your data over from another browser you've been using. A small window will pop up asking where you want to import from. Use the drop-down to choose the browser that currently has your information, such as the one you've been using as your default. If you don't see it, make sure that browser is installed on this computer and that you've used it with the same profile. Next, choose the items to import. Select browsing history if you want Opera GX to remember sites you visited before, which helps with suggestions and makes it easier to pick up where you left off. Select favorites or bookmarks to bring over your saved sites so your folders and go-to links come with you. If there's anything you don't want, simply leave it unchecked. When you're ready, click Import. Depending on how much you're moving, this can take a moment. Once it finishes, your bookmarks will appear in Opera GX, and your history will be available for quick searches and address bar suggestions. If you don't see changes right away, give the browser a second or two or close and reopen your tabs. That's it. You've successfully imported your information into Opera GX, keeping your familiar browsing setup with minimal effort.